Every morning the universe is waiting on you. But most people wake up acting like they're on the run from their own blessings. Listen closely, because what I'm about to say will flip your entire morning reality. Blessings don't fall on people who chase them. Blessings fall on people who command them. And right now, you're going to learn how to do exactly that. You've already felt it, haven't you? Those mornings where you wake up tired before you even get out of bed. You know the day hasn't even started, but somehow it already feels like life is 3 steps ahead of you. Your phone is buzzing, your responsibilities are knocking, and your peace is somewhere hiding under a pile of yesterday's problems. And you're thinking, why does life feel like a race that I didn't warm up for? I hear you. Truly. That drained feeling, that heaviness, that quiet frustration of wanting more but waking up like you're already behind, it's real. You're not imagining it. And here's the truth nobody tells you. The problem is not you. The problem is the way you start your mornings. Most people wake up reacting. You open your eyes and instantly absorb whatever energy hits you first. Stress, fear, uncertainty, pressure. You're starting the day like a punching bag instead of the commander of your own existence. You're letting the world set the tone instead of stepping into your rightful authority and declaring, today, blessings chase me down, not the other way around. That's the core challenge. Your mornings are running on default mode, and default mode is programmed by habit, emotion, and whatever chaos you left unresolved yesterday. But you weren't designed to live on default. You were designed to live by command. Energy follows intention, and whatever you declare at the start of the day becomes the atmosphere you walk in. Think of it like this. Your morning is the doorway through which the entire day enters. If you open that door in panic, you invite panic. If you open it in clarity, you invite clarity. If you open it in power, everything that enters has to match the frequency of that power. This isn't mysticism. This is alignment. Even science agrees your brain wakes up in a highly programmable state. Theta waves. The same brain waves used in hypnosis, meaning the first instructions you give your morning become your operating system for the next 12 hours. So when you roll out of bed thinking, ugh, here we go again, guess what? Your day says, yes, here we go again. But when you rise with intention, with command, with expectation, your day responds with opportunity, favor, and clarity. You are literally instructing your reality. Now, let's break this down into something so simple you can start using it tomorrow, actually. Start today if you're bold enough. There are 3 forces you must align every morning if you want blessings to chase you: your words, your energy, and your direction. Let's start with your words. Your words are not poetry. They are power. They are not pretty. They are productive. When you speak, you imprint the unseen. But most people speak their fears instead of their future, and then act confused when life gives them what they announced. No more of that. When you wake up, your first words must be words of command, not complaint. Even something as simple as, good morning, abundance. Good morning, opportunities. Good morning, unexpected favor, shifts your internal chemistry. You are declaring what you expect instead of accepting whatever randomness shows up. Next is your energy. Now, before you roll your eyes and say, I don't have morning energy, let me be very clear. You don't need hype. You need alignment. Your energy is simply your emotional temperature, and you can change that temperature faster than you think. One deep breath held for 3 seconds can snap you out of survival mode. One deliberate moment of gratitude can pull you out of fear. One intentional stretch can tell your body, we are waking up with purpose today. And then direction. This is the most overlooked part. You cannot command blessings to chase you if you don't even know where you're going. Imagine someone sending you a gift, but they don't have your address. That's how most people live. You want good things, but you give the universe no instruction about what good actually means for you. Take 60 seconds every morning to define your direction. Say something like, today I walk in clarity. Today I am guided to the right opportunities. Today I attract solutions. That clarity becomes a magnet, a pull, a gravitational field that draws what you desire toward you. Now, let's take this even deeper. Why does this matter? Why should you care about commanding your mornings? Because the quality of your life is shaped by the rhythm of your mornings. If your mornings are chaotic, your life will feel chaotic. If your mornings are intentional, your life becomes intentional. Everything begins at the beginning. When you control the first moments of your day, you gain leverage over the rest of your day. And when you gain leverage over your days, you gain leverage over your life. This is why some people seem lucky. They're not lucky. They're aligned. They command their atmosphere before the atmosphere commands them. They decide the tone of the day before the day decides the tone for them. And that's exactly what you're about to learn to do. So, let me give you a practical morning framework that will take less than 3 minutes, but will shift everything in your favor. Step 1. Waking command. The moment you open your eyes, speak your day into alignment. Say something like, "Today I walk in ease. Today blessings are looking for me. Today everything works in my favor." Don't overthink it. Speak it before your mind starts trying to negotiate with doubt. Step 2. Grounding breath. Sit up in bed and take one slow, deep breath. Hold it for 3 seconds. Release slowly. This resets your nervous system from survival mode to creation mode. You're telling your body, we are not running from life today. We are shaping life. Step 3. One clear intention. Just one. Not 10. Not 20. One. Today I choose peace. Today I choose productivity. Today I choose joy. Today I choose confidence. One intention creates direction, and direction creates results. Step 4. Gratitude spark. Name one thing, just one, that you genuinely appreciate. Don't force it. Let it flow. Gratitude shifts your frequency, and blessings respond to frequency. Step 5. Openness. Say, I'm ready for the unexpected good that is already on its way. This opens the door for blessings that were waiting for your permission to enter. Do you see what you're doing with these steps? You're not begging for blessings. You're instructing them. You're giving them a destination. You're creating a path for them to follow you throughout the day. Because blessings chase the bold. They chase the intentional. They chase the person who wakes up and says, "This is my day, and everything in it aligns with my good." Now, here's your challenge, the real test. I want you to try this tomorrow, just once. Don't overcommit. Don't stress yourself. One morning, one practice, one command. And then watch what shifts. Watch how conversations go smoother. Watch how opportunities appear. Watch how your mood feels lighter. Watch how solutions rise where problems used to stand. And listen before we move forward. Let me be blunt in the most loving way. If you keep waking up the same way, you'll keep living the same life. Change your morning, and you change your momentum. Change your momentum, and you change your outcome. So if you're ready, truly ready to stop chasing blessings and start commanding them, then stay with me, because the next part will take you even deeper into mastering your day, your energy, and your power. Before we go any further, take a breath. Not a dramatic one, just enough to remind yourself that you're alive, you're here, and you're not the same person who pressed play a few minutes ago. Something in you has already started shifting. I can feel it, and part of you knows it too. That's the strange, beautiful thing about truth. It doesn't shout, it doesn't beg, it settles quietly, and suddenly your whole inner world rearranges itself around it. Now let's go deeper, because commanding blessings every morning isn't just a cute spiritual habit, it's a lifestyle. It's a decision to stop bowing down to fear, doubt, and yesterday's disappointments. It's choosing to be the architect of your daily reality instead of letting life treat you like a piece of floating debris in a river of chaos. You deserve more than survival. You deserve flow, ease, alignment, and yes, blessings that chase you down like they heard your address and couldn't wait to show up. But let's be honest for a moment. You've had days where it felt like the universe forgot you on red. Days where nothing worked, everything irritated you, and every little thing felt like a personal attack. Someone breathed wrong, and you were ready to file a complaint. You poured cereal before realizing there was no milk. You opened your bank app and wished you hadn't. You planned your day. Then life said, That's hilarious, sweetie, and did whatever it wanted. You're not broken for feeling that way. You're human. But here's the twist, you don't have to stay in that cycle. You were never meant to wake up at the mercy of randomness. You were meant to wake up in authority. And authority isn't loud. It's intentional. It's rooted. It's calm. It's knowing that whatever rises against your peace bows to your command. So let's talk about how to protect your mornings once you've commanded them. Because yes, blessings will chase you, but distractions love chasing you too. And some of those distractions look cute. Some look familiar. Some even sound like your own thoughts. So here's what you do. First, protect your first 5 minutes like sacred treasure. If you start your day with notifications, messages, and everybody else's chaos, you will lose your alignment before you even get out of bed. The world will hand you its script, and you'll perform in a play you did not audition for. You are not required to wake up and carry other people's energy. The first 5 minutes belong to your spirit, not your smartphone. Next, avoid waking up in autopilot. Have you ever noticed that your body can get out of bed, brush your teeth, and start moving before your mind even wakes up? That's not you being productive. That's you being unconscious. When you command blessings, you wake up with awareness. You feel your breath. You sense your presence. You choose your mood instead of letting it choose you. Consciousness is magnetic. It pulls good things to you because it emits clarity. Now, let's sprinkle in some humor, because if we can't laugh at ourselves, who will? Think of blessings like excited puppies. They're eager, they're playful, they're just waiting for you to open the door. But if you wake up grumpy, irritated, and barking at the world, those blessings will peek in, see your mood, and say, maybe we'll come back later when the human calms down. Don't chase them. Don't scare them away. Be the person they can't wait to run toward. Another key to sustaining this new morning frequency is this. Stop letting yesterday vote in today's election. A bad moment is not a prophecy. A bad day is not a destiny. You may have cried yesterday, struggled yesterday, doubted yesterday, but today is not an extension of yesterday unless you allow it to be. Every sunrise gives you a blank canvas. Stop bringing old paint to new mornings. Now let's add something powerful, your environment. Your space affects your energy. If you wake up in clutter, you wake up in congestion. If you wake up in disorder, you wake up in mental fog. I'm not saying become a minimalist monk. I'm saying give your space enough peace so your mind can breathe. A clean environment tells your spirit, we are beginning again. And blessings love environments that feel like invitation instead of evacuation. Let's move into something deeper. Emotional alignment. Commanding blessings isn't pretending everything is perfect. It's choosing how you respond to what isn't. Emotional alignment means you allow feelings to flow, but you don't let them dictate your day. You acknowledge sadness without surrendering to it. You honor frustration without letting it become your personality. You feel emotions, but you command your energy. That is mastery. That is power. That is how you stay on the frequency where blessings can find you. Now, let me give you a strategy that will help you maintain this power even when life gets loud. I call it the morning reset because yes, you're allowed to reset your morning at any time of the day. You don't have to wait until tomorrow. If negativity hits you at 10 a.m., pause. If frustration hits at 2 p.m., pause. If life throws a plot twist at 6 p.m., pause. Take 5 seconds. One deep breath, one affirmation, one realignment. Blessings don't only chase people who start perfectly, they chase people who stay willing. And speaking of blessings chasing you, here's something most people never understand. Blessings respond to identity. You cannot command blessings from a place of unworthiness. You cannot attract good things while secretly believing you deserve scraps. And don't pretend you've never felt like that. Everyone has had those internal battles, moments where your confidence felt like expired medicine. But I'm here to remind you, you are not an accident. You are not an afterthought. You are not overlooked. You are chosen. And chosen people speak differently. They rise differently. They declare differently. When you step into the identity of someone who expects blessings, blessings rearrange themselves to meet you. Let's get practical again. I want to give you a morning script. Simple, short, and powerful. You don't need to memorize it. Just say it with authority. Today I walk in divine flow. Good things are drawn to me. Opportunities recognize me. Blessings follow me. My steps are ordered. My energy is aligned. I am surrounded by favor. Everything I do prospers. Today, life moves in my direction. Say it with conviction, not desperation. You are not begging. You are declaring. Now, how do you anchor this into your life? By repetition. Blessings follow consistent energy, not perfection, consistency. Even if you wake up tired, say it. Even if you wake up annoyed, say it. Even if yesterday beat you up, say it. Speak it until your spirit believes it. Speak it until your mind cooperates. Speak it until life reflects it. Words shape worlds. Let's take a moment to acknowledge something important. This entire practice is not about pretending life is magically easy. It's about creating flow in a world that can be chaotic. It's about choosing your vibration. It's about deciding that you will not spend another year waking up in survival mode. You are stepping into command mode. Now, let me gently push you, because growth without challenge is just intention without action. I want you to commit to one thing from everything you've heard today. Just one. Maybe you choose the waking command. Maybe you choose protecting the first 5 minutes. Maybe you choose the deep breath. Maybe you choose the morning intention. Whatever it is, take one action tomorrow. One small step can shift the direction of an entire lifetime. And before we close, let me give you something to carry with you. Blessings are not hiding from you. They are looking for you. They are circling your life like birds waiting for the right moment to land. And the moment is created the second you rise and declare, I am ready for good. Now, here's your call to action. Comment one thing you are commanding into your morning starting today. Speak it, claim it, declare it. And if this message stirred something in you, if it lit even one spark, then make sure you subscribe so you never miss the moments that shift your life. Because you deserve mornings that feel like invitation, not intimidation. You deserve days shaped by intention, not reaction. And you deserve blessings that don't just come, blessings that chase you. Your new mornings begin now.